Hello, I'm Balasundar, Managing Director of Aerosource Precision Engineering Private Limited, SITCO, Coimbatore. We are specialized in machining process of various companies, of various industries like textile industry, pump, and we are also specialized in high precision laser cutting machine components. We are specialized also in materials like brass, aluminum and SS304. We have 13 LMW machines which we procured eventual basis, and the performance of the machine which we procured is highly good, and we also intend to purchase 2 more machines in the future from LMW because of its performance and timely attendance of any maintenance issues, and also the backup of spares they give us. We are also pleased to say that our components, which is all high precise components, can almost give 100% accuracy with all sort of industries. So we also prefer other divisions of LMW like their VMC, and also we are planning to go for turn mill centers, which is also their expertise. We are also planning to procure turn mill centers because of their high accuracy and our component precision. Thank you LMW for giving us all the support and all the maintenance support and all after sales support also, which has given us more in-depth knowledge about your machine and your service. And also in the near future we would like to be associated with you as we are today. Thank you.